Hi everybody, this is Lauren of planmoshplan. Welcome back to a rewind plan with me. I know it's been quite a while since I've posted a video, a couple of weeks really. I don't really have a great reason for that. I just was busy and life happened and that's all. But I am slowly but surely rewind planning this, and I think it's really like 2 or 3 weeks that I took off planning, so I'm rewind planning all of those spreads, and hopefully I will get them all up the weekend that I'm posting this video, so be on the lookout for those. I missed it a lot. I think I've been planning for like 3 or 4 years maybe, in the way that you see me do it now with the stickers and everything. I've had a planner for a lot longer than that, but I've never, in the time that I've been planning like this, I've never taken like that much time off from doing it. But I really think that the like added element of videoing it like adds a lot of it just makes it kind of harder to do, because like a lot of things have to be aligned, where I used to just like sit down every night and do it. Like now it's like, okay, is the battery charged? Do I have the right SD card? Do my nails look okay? Which they don't in this shot, but that will change after the sidebar is done, I'm pretty sure. Trust me, if you're looking at my nails, it bugs me worse than it bugs you, I promise. But anyways, I'm back on track and I'm slowly but surely rewind planning everything, so we're all good. It should get back to normal soon after this, I think. And thank goodness my nails are now fixed. Was another day, I think. This kit is from GP Sticker Studio. It's a really pretty kit with like pinks and grays, and it had a cream color that kind of like some of the stickers were like in. One of the colorways was cream, but I didn't love that cream color, so I kind of avoided most, if not all, of the cream stickers. I'm noticing up in the lower, or down in the lower right hand corner right now, one of my habit trackers was the cream color, but I really didn't use it. I think other than that, I really liked just like the pink and the gray with the silver foil for winter. The kit is like wintry, but you could definitely leave out a couple items and have it be an anytime kit also. So I'd held on to this one for a really long time, so I was really happy to be able to use it. I used that Simply Gilded washi at the bottom, pink with silver bows, and that Clever Gal Crafts flag up at the top there. I think that's the only stuff. Oh, those those date dots that I'm putting on the date covers are for my newest addiction, and I think that's the only stickers from that aren't from the kit that I've used so far. Okay, sorry if this is a little random, but I got cut off. I had to go to a pedicure appointment kind of suddenly. I realized I needed to leave. So I'm not quite sure where I left off, but I think I hadn't yet talked about the kit yet. No, did I? I did, from GP Sticker Studio, right? I was talking about I like all the grays and the wintry stuff. Yeah, I think I did. If I didn't mention it, although I probably did, I do PR for GP Sticker Studio. I talk about it a lot whenever I use any of her kits. So if you're interested in checking her shop out, I don't know if this kit's still available, but she has a lot of great mixed media kits up right now. I bought like, I don't know, 3 or 4 of them last night. You can use the code LaurenPR20 for 20% off. Again, I talk about it all the time, but she has like, she's from the Australia. I'm in the US, so her prices are like US dollars is a lot better than Australian dollars, so it's cheaper for us in the US. So using my coupon code, it puts the kits at about like $2 a sheet, which is awesome. All the kits have like 8 sheets, although you can order a la carte as well. And yeah, when you use that code, it's like $2 a sheet, so it's really, really affordable. For like almost all our kits are entirely, if not, well, mostly if not entirely, custom artwork that they do at GP Sticker Studio, and lots of photography stuff too. I've been super into her mixed media kits. That's my like favorite thing right now, because I don't know, I think I've talked about this once on my Instagram, or maybe it was on here, I don't remember, but something I don't love about photography kits is when it's like a really stark difference between the photography and the like, I don't know, the clip art and the stickers that don't have any photography incorporated, where it just looks like these stickers are really clip arty, and these stickers are just like really just pictures of photographs. But I think that Gabby does a really great job of just integrating the two so everything looks like they're supposed to go together and it's super seamless, and I don't know. Anyways, that's my thing. Back to the spread. Haven't really talked about it much yet. I scattered the full boxes up and down on the top 2 rows, and then I am using the washi, you can see here, to make my 7th full box, because I left out one of the full boxes, because it was a really dark gray, and I tried to leave out some of the darker grays. Like, I didn't use that in the upper left hand corner, that top washi strip that's really dark gray. I wanted it to be a little bit lighter. So the full box that I left out was really dark gray, and B, it also had, there's like a pair of like little booties that she drew as part of the clip art for this kit. It's also in some of the deco, and to be totally honest, I didn't love the booties. Like, they weren't my favorite thing, and that's what was featured on that box. So I chose to do a washi box instead, and I think it looks just fine. I think it actually looks really good. And then I alternated the today and the to do headers for the rest of the box. So okay, on to the day by day. Sorry if that took a bit of time to just set up the week. Monday was President's Day. I believe, hold on, let's see here. Oh yeah, so this was, oh my gosh, this was such a long time ago. This was after like my Valentine's Day. I was actually up in Healdsburg this weekend, so we drove back home on President's Day. So that's what I was doing Monday. That let's see, the President's Day sticker, the silver foiled one, is from Rose Colored Days. That little floral thing is from the deco from the kit, and then the bow where I marked day off, that's actually from one of Gabby's samplers. I tried to use a lot of stuff from her samplers just because her samplers obviously match the vibes of her kit really well. So yeah, I used a lot of the like sampler deco in here, and I think it looked really good and helped make everything look really cohesive. I wrote that I drove from Healdsburg. Well, my boyfriend and I drove home from Healdsburg using one of the labels, the little silver glitter flag, and then the marble icon with a car on it. I had to email my doctor that day, so I used that computers from the kit, and then I had a blowout at 6 o'clock that night, so I marked that with the Fox and Pip girl that I like to use to mark my blowouts. Even though she's putting makeup on, I don't know, I feel like the beauty thing, it still works. So I use her a lot, and I actually need to order more of her because I'm running really low, like dangerously low. Okay, so Tuesday I marked with a heart from Clever Gal Crafts, what is the black colorway? I can't remember. Anyways, that my boyfriend was coming over. That meeting foiled script is from My Newest Addiction, and then I took 4 of the asterisks from the kit to mark all of my meetings that day. It was a pretty heavy meeting day, not too crazy. As I get kind of back into the season of this is kind of like my busy season at work, I'm noticing that I think Tuesdays and Thursdays are going to be my heavy meeting days, so I need to plan accordingly. Although I don't really put my work plans at all in my regular planner. I have a separate planner for that. I use my Emily Lay like hourly for work. I'm writing down in my to-do list just some to-dos I had, and then that girl with the like long to-do list is is it Alice? Yeah, Alice from GP Sticker Studio. You can like get all those girls from her in different skin tone and hair colors. On Wednesday I worked from home because I had a doctor's appointment, so the coffee cup and the house icon are from the kit. I filmed a plan with me. The TN is from Hello Petite Paper, and then the camera that was up there, the Polaroid, I think was actually also from a GP Sticker Studio sampler. And the the laptop was from the kit. I had a doctor's appointment. Sorry, this is kind of out of frame. I was like not very great at putting things in frame I was kind of getting back in the swing of things. But anyways, the doctor's appointment sticker layered over the washi was from White Deer Stationery. And then I had to pick up I got some of my Lululemon pants altered, so I had to pick those up on Wednesday. And the like workout girl is also from GP Sticker Studio. Sorry that already passed. I think also, excuse me if this voiceover is like doesn't match up exactly with what I'm doing. I've had to pause and restart it so many times, so who even knows. I really need a microphone that just matches up with my Mac computer, because the one that I have right now doesn't, so I have to do it through my phone, so it's a total pain. Anyways, I'm marking down my friend's birthday with some stickers from the kit. Okay, sorry, interrupted yet again. But anyways, marked my friend's birthday. I took a little flag and an icon from the kit to mark that my mom was visiting my sister in Alabama for my sister's last parents' weekend. She's about to graduate college, which I'm sad for her, because literally so sad. College was like the best time of my life thus far. So I'm so sorry for her. But happy for me, because she'll be moving back here. Again, I marked my meetings, well, just the one meeting, the same way that I marked the other ones that I had this week. And then I think I'm out of frame, but I'm marking down with a half box. Well, I will with a half box. Oh no, sorry. Quarter box up here. Voiceover and uploading a plan with me. I'm using another TN from Hello Petite paper. Down at that half box at the bottom, if you don't, I'm using a lipstick from the Deco, but if you don't know, I work in the beauty industry. I always wanted to be a makeup artist. I don't do that. I have a little bit more of a full-time, like desk job, but I do work in the beauty industry, so I get to work with a lot of makeup a lot. And one thing that my company does is like a lot of times, a lot of the brands that about will come into our company and either send us some free product, or sometimes they'll a bunch of them will come in and they'll I don't know, give it do makeovers and let us test their product and maybe give us a free one or something. So we had one of those days on Thursday, which was super fun, although the Stila makeup artist put literal blue glitter all over my face as a highlighter, and I was like, I got a meeting after this, what is happening? And I went over to the NARS makeup artist afterwards, and I was like, can you fix this? I gotta go to a meeting. So she took all the glitter off, but 10 out of 10 would not recommend the new, was it Stila or was it Too Faced? I don't know. One of them have these new glitter highlighters for your face. It's literal glitter. So if you're not into that sort of thing, I wouldn't recommend it. Okay. Friday I missed a bunch. Basically, all those stickers were from the GP Sticker Studio sampler, or the kit. I marked down that a project was complete at work. It was payday and the cleaners came. That vacuum is from a GP Sticker Studio sampler. I marked down that I got a manicure, had an appointment at 5. That perfect nail polish bottle that I love so much is from GP Sticker Studio, and the label is from the kit. And then I had a plan with me that went live on Friday, and that super cute sock and planner girl little sticker is from Fox and Pip. Saturday morning I had my spin class. That shoe that I love so much, I just ordered more of those last night, is from also from GP Sticker Studio, as well as that fold stack of laundry sticker that I layered over the washi. That is from GP Sticker Studio also. To be totally honest, I couldn't really remember what I did on this Saturday. So I knew my boyfriend was over, so I marked that with the Clever Gal Crafts heart, and then I have no idea what I did this Saturday. I'm sure I did something, but I just marked down with some deco from the kit, not that piece, another piece, that I think I had a lazy Saturday. I'm sure we did stuff, but I don't think it was anything too exciting, I think, but I don't really know. I genuinely have no idea. Yeah, so that's kind of one of the things that happens when you get really behind on your rewind plan with me. It's gone from my brain. Although it kind of does make me happy that I do rewind plan with me, because otherwise I would have no idea, looking back on my life, the things that I did. So anyways, okay. Again, I'm really sorry I'm out of frame. I basically just put a sleep in sticker and some washi from the kit up top, and then my boyfriend and I bought our tickets to Hawaii. We're going twice this year, which is really exciting. Once with my family and once with his. So we bought our tickets for Maui. And then that girl from Paper Princess with the balloons, I marked that my friend's birthday. Well, went to our birthday party. We went wine tasting. Although I couldn't wine taste, I was on antibiotics that like I couldn't drink, and it was torture because I am such a wino. I love wine, and we went to wineries that like I know and love, but I hadn't been to in a while, and it was just so rough. They were like, I could smell it all, and I was like, oh my god, just like watching them drink some of my favorite wines. It was sad. Anyways, okay, that bow is from a GP Sticker Studio subscription box, and this is my planner all filled out. So yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys. Appreciate the patience with me being behind on all this, and yeah, have a great day, guys.